To begin opening the hood of your Honda Accord VII, first locate the interior hood release lever. This lever is positioned inside the cabin, typically under the dashboard on the driver's side near the steering column. Look for the hood release lever, which often has a hood symbol on it. Once you've found it, pull the lever firmly towards you. You should hear a distinct click, which indicates that the primary latch has been released. This action disengages the main hood latch, preparing for the next step. Move to the front of the car. Reach under the front edge of the hood, near the center. You'll feel for a secondary safety latch, a small lever or handle. This prevents the hood from flying open if the primary latch fails. Push the lever to the side or upwards to release the hood. Before opening the hood, remember this crucial safety rule. Never open the hood while the engine is running. This prevents serious burns from hot surfaces and injury from moving engine parts that could cause accidents. If the engine has just been running, wait for it to cool down completely. Hot components can cause severe burns, and this cooling period ensures safe access to the engine area. Finally, always wear protective gloves when working under the hood. They shield your hands from residual heat and protect against contact with oils, coolants, or other fluids that could cause skin irritation or chemical burns. Common issues with opening the hood include a stuck release lever. The lever may feel stuck due to corrosion or wear on the latch mechanism. Honda issued a recall in 2024 for faulty latches in 2002 to 2008 Accord models. To fix a stuck lever, lubricate the latch mechanism. Use silicone spray or WD-40 specialist penetrant. Apply annually to prevent corrosion and ensure smooth operation. Another issue is difficulty finding the secondary latch under the hood. It may be obscured by the grille or engine components. To find the secondary latch, use a flashlight to improve visibility. Shine light into the grille area to locate the small lever or handle. If the hood still won't open after trying these solutions, seek professional assistance. This prevents damage to the latch or hood. Always wear gloves and ensure the engine is off for safety. To keep your hood latch in good condition, regularly inspect the mechanism for signs of corrosion or wear. This helps catch issues early before they cause problems. Apply silicone spray to all moving parts of the latch at least once a year. This lubrication ensures smooth operation and prevents the mechanism from sticking. Following this maintenance tip will extend the life of your latch and keep your Honda Accord VII running safely. While modern cars increasingly use electronic hood releases, the Accord VII's simple mechanical system is durable and reliable. Many Accord VIIs are still on the road, and understanding basic maintenance like opening the hood ensures these vehicles remain dependable for years to come. Parts are increasingly available via aftermarket suppliers and even 3D printing, ensuring continued support for this classic Honda.